Welcome to OneSearch. Here's tip number 4. To narrow a search or to broaden your search, you can use the terms and, or not. And you'll use them by capitalizing them between the terms you're searching for, the keywords you're searching for. So let's test it out. We'll start with and. And, when you use and, it will narrow your search. So we're going to look for toy, and poodles. We want results that contain both these terms, toy and poodles. Let's see what we get. And so what we find is results that have both those terms in them, toy and poodles. Okay? So that narrows the results you get because the system will look for only results, only items that have both those terms in them. Now let's try another. We'll keep the terms, but now we're going to use or, and remember you need to capitalize it. So we want to find results that have toy or poodles, one of those keywords in it, and possibly both. And let's see what happens. Okay, so now you see we have some results that say toys, and probably if we go down further, we will eventually find poodles as well. You could load more results and see what we get, but eventually there might be ones that show poodles as well. But now let's say we want to do poodles. We want to look for poodles, but we want to exclude toy poodles, anything that has the term toy. So we want to look up poodles, but we want to look up information that aren't about toy poodles. So now we'll in caps, we'll put not toy. Poodles, not toy. Let's see what we get. Okay, so now what we're getting is results about poodles, but it should exclude those items that have the word toy in it because we're really not interested in toy poodles. Okay, so I hope that helps. You can use these to broaden or narrow your search. Don't forget to sign in to get full access. Thanks. Bye.